guys. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Katie. Nice to meet you. Today, basically, as you can see here, my room and my closet it's a disaster. I need to clean out my closet. Like, I need to go through all my clothes and clean out my closet. Y'all see how much clothes I bring in through like subscription boxes and hauls, and it's just a ton. And I have an overwhelming amount of clothes in my closet and in my car. And if I'm gonna keep doing this, then I need to like get rid of all the clothes that I don't wear, basically. So I've been wanting to clean out my closet since December. Obviously I've put it off a lot because it's a little bit past December now. So I'm thinking today, like, we can at least start cleaning out my closet. Like, I can at least get started. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna get started. I don't really know where to get started. I guess I should clean the room as a whole first, so the whole room is clean. So I'm gonna do that. When you're cleaning your room and you find things. I like it. Very natural and glossy. Hydrating lip plumper. Okay, so now my room itself is clean. Like, my desk looks like a desk. My vanity looks like a vanity. All that's left that's messy is the closet area. So I'm gonna go to the bargain hunt and see if they have anything that could help me out. So I'm back. I went to the store, but I forgot my camera by accident. I went to the bargain hunt and they did not have what I was looking for. So I went to Dollar General and they had what I was looking for. I wasn't looking for this, but I saw it and figured I should get it. I'm gonna put my scrunchies here. And then I'm gonna do like panties, socks, and bras. Like, I'm gonna sort them in these drawers. And then, I said it so country. I got these tubs that I'm gonna put clothes that I wanna sell in, that it's not the season to sell. So I got these tubs because I wanna take them to a thrift store, but they're taking spring and summer clothes right now, and I have a lot of winter clothes. So I wanna store them somewhere, and then next winter I will take them to the thrift store. So now I need to start dealing with this. This was in my car. I think there's still more clothes that I already had decided to donate in my car, but they're mostly winter clothes. So I'm just gonna put them in one of these tubs. I am gonna leave some things out, like these black over the knee heeled boots, because I do just want to like go ahead and put these on Poshmark. I'll leave my Poshmark linked down below, but yeah, I do have some things like this, a Michael Kors purse, just a few things I want to go ahead and put on Poshmark. And now I can use this for something else. Now it's time to go through all my actual like hanging up stuff in both of these areas and decide what to do with that. I think my closet is going to be really empty after this, but we'll see. So let's go. Okay, I'm done with the rack. On to my actual closet part. Okay, so I got my bins filled up. Stack them on top of each other. And into these drawers, I'm going to sort some stuff. My battery is dying, so I'm gonna finish up and I'll show you guys closer to the end. See you soon. Okay guys, so I have my 2 bins here. This one I'm gonna go ahead and take to the thrift store because it's spring and summer and that's what they're taking right now. Winter and fall, obviously I'm gonna have to wait till they start taking winter and fall again. This is stuff that I'm gonna sell on Poshmark, so I'll have my Poshmark linked down below. Then I have pants that aren't quite dirty that I can wear again, dresses, pants, leggings, and tank tops, my scrunchies, and then like undergarments, socks and stuff, winter wear, sweaters, cardigans, and shirts, pajamas, shorts, exercising shorts, t-shirts and sweatpants, and boots. This is everything that I have to donate to Goodwill. Okay guys, so that is gonna be it for this vlog. As you can see, I cleaned a lot of clothes out of my closet, so bring on the hauls. I made a lot more room for us to keep trying on clothes and seeing what we like and trying out companies. So let me know what you want to see down below. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you want to keep seeing me, to please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload, which is every Saturday morning at 9:30 and Tuesday afternoon at 3:30 p.m. Okay guys, bye. Thank you so much for watching.